So such type of questions are usually seen in the mathematics Olympiads. So the question is this. So we want to solve a problem which is an equation. So the equation is a raised power x to be equal to x raised power a power a minus 1. So I want to solve this equation where a is positive. So let's start. So at first step, what I will do, I will take 1 over x as a power on both sides. So a raised power x, I'll take 1 over x as a power on this side, and I will take 1 over x is a power on this side. So then I can apply this rule, this famous rule, which says that if you have a real number k and it has a power m and over another power with bracket, then I can write this k power mn. So it's a power rule. So power of a power, so k power m whole power n is same as k raised power m times n. So I can apply this rule over here, and this gives me what? A raised power x times 1 over x equal to x raised power a minus 1 upon x. So when these are multiplied together, so we get this. So then I can cancel out this x with this, then I will get a to be equal to x raised power a minus 1 all of this divided by x. So this is a power right over here, so this one is the power of this x. So then I can take 1 over a raised power a minus 1 as a power on both sides. So 1 over a power a minus 1 on both sides is taken as power. So x raised power a minus 1 divided by x, and the power on this side will also be taken as a power a minus 1. So then again we will apply this rule. So then we get what? A raised power 1 over a power a minus 1 equal to, this gets cancelled with this, so x raised 1 over x equal to this. So then I can write x raised 1 over x equal to a raised power 1 over a power a minus 1. Now I will play a trick over here, and the trick is going to be this. So I have got x raised power 1 over x equal to a raised power 1 over a power a minus 1. Then I can do what? I can play with this in this manner. So I will do what? I will take this. So I will multiply and divide a in this power. So a over a times a power a minus 1. So then I can proceed ahead. It will give me x raised power 1 over x equal to, so I can do what with this? So I can write this a raised power a, and all of this raised power 1 over a times a power a minus 1. So if you multiply this, you will get back to this, right? Then a times a power a minus 1 is the basic algebra, give me a power a. So I will get what? I will get a raised power a the whole power 1 over a. So then I can write this is x raised power 1 over x. Then this will give me, or this should be a power a, and here we will have a power a. So now you can compare them. So we have got x raised power 1 over x equal to a raised power a whole power 1 over a raised power a. So then I can say that my x should be equal to a power a, right? This means if we have equation a raised power x equal to x raised power a minus 1, then x is equal to a raised power a. We have assumed a to be positive for now. So what are the corollaries of this result? So if someone takes a equal to 2, then 2 power x equal to x power 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. So like this is going to be the equation. So the solution to this equation should be a power a means 2 power 2, which is 4, right? So if someone takes a to be 3, then 3 power x equal to x power 3 power 2, which is 9, right? So like you put the value over here in place of a, so this is going to be the equation, and the solution should be x equal to 3 power 3, which is 27. On the same lines, you can solve for a equal to 4, so the equation will be 4 power x equal to x power 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 is going to be 64, so one could write 64, and in this case the solution will be x equal to 4 power 4. So 4 power 4 is going to be what? So you calculate this, and if someone takes a to be 5, then the equation will be 5 power x equal to x power 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 is 625. So like 5 power x is equal to x power 625, and in this case the solution should be x equal to 5 power 5, which is 125 if I'm not wrong. So like you can solve so many such questions if you have solved this general problem. So you can investigate what is going to happen if you take a is 0. So can you take a 0? What if a is negative? Thank you.